Hi, this is a 2021 Honda Civic Sport. This thing originally came with this double muffler. It comes out the middle, and it also has the resonator in the middle. We went ahead and cut that back muffler out, put a couple of blue flame tips on there, double pipes out the back. We're going to start it up and see what it sounds like with that on there. And then we're going to cut this off, and the customer is going to choose if he wants to leave that one out or just put it back in. So let's go ahead and start this thing up. Okay, the rear muffler delete is done. This is what it sounds like now. The resonator is still in. That's what it sounds like now. We're gonna go ahead and cut out that resonator and then we'll let you hear it again. All right, so this is with the resonator deleted.